Hello dear students, today we are going to start with our next chapter, that is integers. It is your chapter number 6, integers. It is a new term. What are integers? Before we have read about the natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the collection of the numbers from starting from 1. Now when we add 0 to the collection of the natural numbers, the new numbers, they are known as whole numbers. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we put the whole numbers and negative numbers together, then we get a new collection of the numbers that looks like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the negative numbers. So all these numbers, it is known as integers. So integers, it is the collection of the positive and negative numbers. In this collection, 1, 2, 3 are said to be positive integers, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, they are said to be as the negative integers. Now next it is natural number. From 0 they start. Whole numbers, they whole numbers are there, that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3. And in the integers, both they are included. 0 is also included, this negative integers are also included, and the positive numbers are also included. Now see that how to represent it on the number line. This is a number line. In the center it is 0. On the right hand side are all the positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And on the left hand side there are the negative numbers starting from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. If we have to plot minus 6 on a number line, so we will start from 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So we need 6, so we can circle 6. Similarly, if we have to point plus 2 on a number line, so from 0 we will move to right hand side. Always you have to remember a thing, that positive numbers, integers, they lie on the right hand side of a number line, and the negative, they lie on the left hand side, and in the middle it is 0. Okay, now we will start with our exercise 6.1. It's very easy. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1, it is write the opposites of the following. Opposites, you know how to write the opposites. The first one, it is increase in weight. So what will be the opposite? Increase. The opposite, it is decrease. Decrease in weight. It is 30 kilometers north. So what will be its opposite? 30 kilometers south. Now it is 326 BC. It will be 326 AD. Next it is loss of rupees 700. So we can write profit also or gain also of rupees 700. E part, it is 100 meters above sea level. For this above we have to write the opposite below. Now question number 2, it is represent by the appropriate sign. Here a statement has been given and you have to represent it by the appropriate sign. As for above we use plus. Similarly for below, what we will use? Minus. Okay. Similarly here for loss, what we will do? Minus. We will use the sign negative, and for profit or gain we will use the positive sign. Similarly, as increase is there, so for increase, which sign we will use? Positive. For decrease we will use the negative sign. So it is an aeroplane is flying at the height 200 meters above the sea level. Okay, above the ground. So for above we are using plus, and it is 200 meters. So how we will write? Plus 200 meters. Similarly, the B part, it is a submarine is moving at a depth. It means it is going down 800 meters below the sea level. So here it is below. For below, which sign we will use? Minus. And what is the value? 800. So minus 800 and meters. Similarly, we will do the C and the D part. So C part, it is a deposit of rupees 200. For deposit, it means for deposit we are going to use plus sign, and it is 200. So it is rupees 200 with the positive sign. Withdrawal, for withdrawal what we are going to use? We are going to use the negative sign. And how much? It is 700. So minus 700. So it means minus 700 rupees. Now question number third, very easy. Here you have to represent on the number line. The numbers have been given and you have to represent the numbers in a number line. So first it is positive 5. So first of all, you will draw a number line starting in the middle 0. No need to write the negative integers. It is plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will be plus 5. Now second one, it is minus 10. In the middle somewhere here it will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here it will be minus 10. It's your wish in the middle if you want to write here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So you can write it. No problem is there. Now C part, it is plus 8. So we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next it is minus 1. So 0 here, and on the left hand side it will be minus 1. Similarly E part, it is there minus 6. So minus 6, it will be on the left hand side. We will start from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Now next question, it is question number 4. You can directly do question number 4 in your books only. So question number 4, here it is. The figure has been given. This is the figure, and here you have to see adjacent figure. It is a vertical line representing the integers. Observe it and locate the points. So if D, it is plus 8. So plus 8 is in front of D. So then which point is minus 8? So these on the right hand side, these are positive integers, and on this side it will be the negative integers. So in the middle it has been marked 0. So from here it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. So minus 8, it is your F point. So F point, it is minus 8. Now second B part is point G a negative or a positive integer? So we will look in the figure, point G. So where it is point G? Here its value, it is minus 6. So it is a negative integer, and if you want to write the value, you can write it minus 6. Write the integers for the point B and E. For B point, it is on the right hand side, so we will write it from here. 0 is in the center, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now see, B has a value of 4 and E has a value of minus 10. So B, it is plus 4 and E, it is minus 10. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? So you have to check here which point has a least value. Least value here, it is of E, because the numbers having the negative sign, they are smaller. Okay, here we are having the numbers from 0 to 8 and 0 to minus 10. So the numbers that are having negative sign, they are smaller. So it means E, that is having the value minus 10, it is smaller. Arrange all the points in the decreasing order of the value. So here we have to arrange all the points in the decreasing order. Now see, D part, it is plus 8. D value, it is plus 8. It means it is the greater value. Then C, it is having the value 5. B is having the value 4. A is having the value 2. O is having the value 0, H is having minus 2, G is having minus 6, F is having minus 8 and E is having minus 10. So we will write the numbers, the values in the same way. So first one, it is D. It is decreasing order. So D, then C, then B, A, H, G, F and E. Now next question, it is following is the list of the temperatures of the 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. So here it is Siachen, 10 degree Celsius below 0 degree. It is below, so we will write minus 10 degree Celsius. Shimla, it is 2 degree below 0 degree, so it will be minus 2 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad, 30 degrees Celsius above. So for above we will use plus sign, 30 degree Celsius. Delhi, it is 20 degree above. Above means positive sign, 20 degree Celsius. Srinagar, it is 5 degree below. Below means minus sign, minus 5 degree Celsius. Write all the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So we have written these. The next question, it is following, it is the number line representing the temperature in the degree Celsius. Now you have to plot the city against its temperature. So which is the coolest place? Coolest means जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा ठंड है, means which is the coolest place. So which is having the lesser value here will be the coolest place. So plus and plus, it means they are bigger values, so we have to select it from minus 2, minus 10 and minus 5. I have already explained you the integers having the negative sign. If 10 is there, so 10, it is not a bigger number, it is smaller than 2. Okay, so which is the coolest place here? It is Siachen, which is having minus 10 degree Celsius as the temperature. Now write the places where the temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. So they are Delhi and Ahmedabad. Delhi and Ahmedabad, which is having the temperatures above 10 degrees. Now sixth question, in each of the following pairs, which of the number is to the right of the number line? So here you have to first plot the numbers and see which number it is on the right hand side of the number line. So in the A part we have been given 2 and 9. So here it is 0, here somewhere it will be 2 and here somewhere it will be 9. So among 2 and 9, which is on the right hand side? 9. So right side. So 9 is the answer. 9 is there. Now minus 3 and minus 8. This is a number line. Here it is 0. Somewhere here it will be minus 3. Somewhere here it will be minus 8. So out of this minus 3 and minus 8, which is on the right side? It is minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer. Now 0 and minus 1. This is 0 and this is minus 1. So which is on the right side? So 0. 0 is the answer. Similarly here minus 11 and 10. So we have plotted minus 11 and 10. So which number is on the right hand side? It is 10. Similarly the E part, it is minus 6 and 6. So minus 6 will be on the left hand side of the 0 and 6 will be on the right hand side of 0. Okay, so which is there on the right hand side? It is 6. Now F part is 1 and minus 100. In the middle it is 0, 1 will be on this side and minus 100 it will be on the another side. Okay, there is no need to write minus 1, minus 2 till 100 counting. You can leave in the places and then write minus 100. Okay, so which is on the right side? It is 1. So 1 is the answer. Thank you.